Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn the subject English grammar, and the topic is people and the work they do. They are also known as our helpers. Now let's start learning the same topic. Now, first of all, let us see what is helper. A helper is a person who helps another person or group with a job they are doing. Let's see one example here. Suppose you are on the way and suddenly your shoes is torn. Then you won't able to mend it by your own. Then you will go to a particular person to get it repaired. So that professional person is called cobbler. See, he is our helper. Now, let us see some more examples. Students, observe this picture. What can you see in this picture? What is he doing? Can you guess the name of this professional person? Yes, he is a dentist. He looks after our teeth. He is a dentist. Student, look at this picture. A man is working with some tools. Can you guess what exactly this helper is doing? Yes, mending shoes. So, he mends our shoes. He is a cobbler. Generally, mother or maid washes our clothes in our house. But there is a specific community helper who washes our clothes by getting wages. Can you guess the name? Washerman. Yes, he washes our clothes. He is a washerman. Generally, we go to the medical stores to purchase prescribed medicines. In medical store, there is a person who sells medicine. He or she is one kind of our helper. So, do you know that? What is the specific name of that professional helper? Chemist. He sells medicines. He is a chemist. Many times in hotels, we select the food from menu and after that we used to order it. After ordering food, a person comes to our table with ordered food. So, do you know that? Who is that person? What is the name of that helper? Yes, waiter. He serves food in a hotel. He is a waiter. While traveling on a bike or in a car, suddenly if the car or bike is breakdown, then is it possible for us to repair it? No, that is not possible for us to repair it. Then we try to search a person who can repair it. So, can you guess the specific name of this helper who can repair the breakdown of cars and bikes? Yes, mechanic. He repairs cars and bikes. He is a mechanic. Students, can you guess this person in this picture? In cricket match, whenever there is white ball, no ball, if any player is out, fours, sixes, to judge all these things, there is a particular person on the field or on the ground who makes decisions. Can you tell me the name? Yes, that is common. Umpire. He judges cricket matches. He is an umpire. Whenever we have any problem related with electricity, at that time we call a person our helper, and the name of that helper who repairs the fault is electrician. Yes, he repairs electric gadget. He is an electrician. Students, observe this picture. There is a person surrounded by vegetables. That person is there to sell vegetables. Can you tell me the specific name of this helper? Yes, greengrocer. He sells vegetables. He is a greengrocer. Student, this is a picture of a garden. As you know, all age group people love to visit it. Greenery and sweet smells of colorful flowers attracts us. Do you know who is the person who maintain it by watering and trimming plants, bushes and trees? Yes, gardener. He takes care of flowers, bushes and trees in a garden. He is a gardener. Nowadays, we all are fond of bakery food items. Whenever we want to purchase bread, cakes, puffs, burger, etc. food items, we used to visit a particular place that is called bakery. But do you know who is that person who prepare all these food items in a bakery? Yes, baker. He bakes bread and cakes. He is a baker. Nowadays, criminal activities are nuisance in our society. There is a person who controls criminal activities and maintain law and order. Do you know what is the name of this great helper of our society? He is a very important part of our society. Yes, he is a policeman. He catches thieves and keeps law and order. He is a policeman. Students, this is a familiar face of our society. On and often, we visit this person, and I am sure that you all have the answer that who is this professional helper? Yes, your guessing is right. He is a doctor. He treats patients by giving medicines. He is a doctor. He is helpful to us to cure our disease and keep the society healthy. There are many helpers in our society. Example, teacher who teaches children, a bus driver who drive bus, a postman who delivers letters, a pilot who flies aeroplane, a watchman who takes care of our property, a soldier who fights for our country, a farmer who grows food. There are more helpers in our society. Hope you all understood the topic people and the work they do. Thank you.